Well, welcome to the room. It's a small room. Let's start with the most important thing. There is a bed. It's a double, queen size, I would call it, if we go with American measurements, like we used to. We have 6 pillows. I'll only be me, so 6 pillows will probably do the trick. On the one side of the bed, there's a little nightstand. There's a lamp. In the lamp, we actually got USB charging ports. We got 2 of those. That's nice. And we even got, bad lighting. We even got a little outlet down here. On the other side of the dish, not the dish, other side of the bed, there's my bag. There was no other place to put it. There are also 2 USB charging ports. There's also a desk. And there's also a circuit. Then we have the view. Look at that in a little bit. There's TV, not the biggest, but fits the room in size. Let's see the bed, how it is. The bed is old, I think. I don't know if you can hear it. It makes sounds in the springs, so not the newest bed. But next to the bed, there's a little dish where I can work. There's a mirror, if you'd like to see yourself. There's a lamp. There's an old-time phone. And there is an outlet and, again, 2 USB ports. They just love USB ports in Sweden. Of course, if there's a dish, there's a chair. And I'll be sitting there and doing some work in just a little bit. There is a trash bin. That is a normal trash bin, not the ones that we've seen many places where we actually have to divide our trash, and sometimes it's difficult to find the right trash to get rid of. There is some more plugs. You can control the lighting. You should be controlling the up and down, but it a little bit up and down, not much. That's probably a new lamp and old technology. Of course, we have a picture of the bed. Today we're gonna look at some flowers, I think. And there's some cabinets. We have some hangers for our clothes. We can get our clothes cleaned. If we have trouble getting our shoes on, we can actually get help. There was a mirror, you already spotted that probably. Some place to put your shoes, bags. You got a cabinet here, where we have some to boil some water. We have some glasses, some cups. We have some tea, some sugar, bottle opener. And why is there a bottle opener? That's because we got a fridge with things we can buy. Let's take a look at the prices of the things that we can buy. Just hold it up and you can pause if you would like to see it. But we can quickly see a beer is 85 Swedish crowns, wine 185 Swedish crowns, and chips 35 Swedish crowns. Let's just say there is a Lidl just down the road, and I'll be visiting there a little bit later. Down here you'll find the hotel safety, so if you look around on all the cabinets, you will find a safety guide on how to evacuate the hotel. We are actually at the top floor. Well, that was a noisy cabinet. The next cabinet, we actually have a little safe. No money in, sorry, guys. But we can put all your valuables in here if we would like to. And more storage. And we actually have a little cabinet here, where there's an ironing board, and a dish that we can pull out. That's probably an old ironing board, and they have done something with it so you can't use it for ironing no more. I don't know what the purpose with this one is, but no, that makes no sense. Probably made sense some time, but you can see there are some holes here, so have probably been something that we could use for something, but it's not there anymore. Yes, that was the mouse of the room, but of course there is a giant bathroom. It's over here. The giant bedroom. We have a sink. We have a toilet. We have towels and even a towel dryer where we can dry the towels. We have soap. We have a mirror so we can see ourselves. We have some glasses, and we have a makeup mirror if we would like to do some makeup. We have a hair dryer and we have some tissues. And then we have a great big shower. Standard Scandinavian shower, Swedish shower. Yeah, there's soap, there is shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, some place to put your soap or whatever you need, and a tray, and a window. And you can actually open the window if you would like some air. And a light there's out, but we'll live with that. No big deal. Actually, we also have a bottle opener in the bathroom. So if you're in the bathroom with your beer, your Coke, whatever, you can actually open your bottle very quick. There are some clean room signs. There are some signs here that I'm going green. Please don't clean my room, and information if you want to go green. Yes, the view. It's a little bit dark here in Stockholm. The time is right now 4 o'clock, 1600 or 4 p.m. As you can see, a little bit dark. Oh, there's actually a little more lighting on the camera than my eyes. But you can see we're actually on the top floor, but we didn't get the penthouse apartment. But here we can see part of Stockholm. We're almost at the end of Stockholm, north. I would recommend that if you are visiting Stockholm and you're gonna see all the sites, that you will live on a hotel more close to the to downtown area. But that will be a day for another video. Today we went here. We actually have an old clock tower here. Don't know if you can see that in the picture. And we actually got the freeway. You can't see it, but it's actually right up there. We got a freeway. Again, we can open the windows a little bit and we can hear the noise. I don't know if you can hear it, but if we close the window, actually no noise. So pretty nice, pretty nice. Yes. Well, the view at night, as you can see, all the Swedes is gone to bed. Yeah, Swedes always go pretty early to bed or stay home. There is a little snow and no traffic. So a nice, quiet night. Well, thank you for joining us on this room tour adventure in Stockholm. I hope you'll be joining us for our next adventure also. Please like, subscribe, share, do whatever you would like to do. And please, if you are needing a hotel, please use the affiliate link under this video. It helps us to do even more hotel room reviews. And please give us a comment if you would like us to review a hotel in your area. Once again, thank you for joining us on this tour.